Faceless YouTube channels like this are making over $11,000 a month. In this video, I am going to break down how to create your own automated faceless YouTube channel in any niche using AI tools. And in case you're thinking that looks complicated, trust me, it's simpler than you think. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step in this video so that you can get started right away, even if you're a complete beginner. What is faceless YouTube automation? When you think of YouTube, you probably think of massive YouTube stars like Mr. Beast and KSI, but you don't have to actually do crazy challenges and record everything or even be on camera to start a YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube automation is a way of creating videos and earning money on YouTube without having to record your face or voice. Instead, you can use AI tools or hire freelancers for little money to make content that you can monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships. With YouTube automation, you're not just a content creator, you're a business owner. Now let's get into the step-by-step breakdown of how to actually get started and create videos. Step 1, choose a niche. This is the starting point. It's not only about what seems trendy or what you personally like. Choosing the right niche can make a huge difference in whether you quickly start earning money or end up making videos that nobody watches. A good niche meets 3 important criteria. It's evergreen, which means the content remains relevant regardless of the time of year. It has a high demand but not too much competition, and it can be monetized through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products. Productivity and personal finance are great niche examples. Everyone is looking for ways to save time, improve efficiency, and have more money in the bank. Since productivity and personal finance tips are always needed, these are evergreen topics. To explore your niche, start by entering ideas into YouTube's search bar and seeing what videos show up. Are there a lot of videos in your niche? Is your topic popular, or does it seem like nobody wants to watch videos on your subject? Have you found a missing gap? Answer these questions to validate your ideas before coming to a decision. Step 2, come up with video ideas. I'll show you 2 ways to do this. First, once you've chosen a niche, type it into your YouTube search bar and check out the autocomplete suggestions. For example, if I type in productivity, I can see what topics people are actively searching for. Write down any popular video ideas into a Google Doc, which you can label as your video ideas bank. Second, we can use ChatGPT. You just need to tell ChatGPT what niche your channel is in, and it can generate a bunch of video ideas for you within seconds. Here's a prompt I'm using, but you can change this to match your niche. Now you can copy and paste all these ideas into your video ideas bank. It's helpful to have a doc like this so that you can come back to it each time you want to create a video. It's a great way to stay organized and plan out your videos so that you have a content plan that you stick to instead of winging it every time. Step 3, write the script. You don't need to be a professional writer. Just keep it clear and engaging. I recommend ChatGPT for this step too. Give it clear instructions like this. You'll only get out of ChatGPT what you put in. You give a generic prompt with hardly any information, you won't get the best response. If you include exactly what you want with plenty of information, ChatGPT will be able to generate something that's closer to what you're looking for. After ChatGPT creates the script, copy and paste it into a Google Doc. It's really important to check any facts that might need confirmation since no tool is perfect. Also, don't forget to tweak the script and add your own thoughts to make it feel more real and relatable. Remember to add some exciting hooks to grab your audience's attention, like saying, "The third tip will totally change your life." Step 4, generate the voiceover. If you want to record your own voiceover, all you'll need is a good quality mic like the Blue Yeti and a quiet environment. You can use a free audio editor like Audacity to record your voice and edit it. If you're not comfortable with recording your own voice, don't worry. AI tools like 11 Labs can handle this for you. To get started, sign up for an account on 11 Labs. Once you're in, have a listen to the different voices. There are tons of options that include male, female, young, old, British, American, suspenseful, excited, and so on. Once you've found a voice that makes sense for your channel, add it to your voices. Then click on text to speech and paste your script in here. Select the voice you'd like and then generate the voiceover. Have a listen to what's been generated. If you want anything changed, you can tweak the settings down here. The best thing to do is play around with 11 Labs until you find something that you're happy with, and then you can stick to it for future videos. Once you're happy with your voiceover, download this to your device. Step 5, find, generate footage. Now that you've got your voiceover, it's time to add some visuals. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay have a huge library of stock footage you can use to make your video look professional. Look for clips that fit your topic. For example, if we're talking about productivity, we'd look for clips of people working out, typing on their laptops, or ticking off to-do lists. Download these clips to your device for the next step. Another option, and this really depends on your niche, is to create images and visuals yourself. For this, you can use Leonardo AI. If your channel focuses on horror, children's stories, or a similar niche, it's best to create your own animated images instead of relying relying on stock footage. Leonardo AI is perfect for this. You can sign up for a free account and you get 150 credits every single day for free, which is great when you're starting out. Check out and play around with Leonardo AI, as how you use it will vary depending on your video content. Personally, I enjoy using it to create images and then animate them. For example, if I'm making a video about a princess trapped in a castle, I would select the Leonardo Phoenix preset, set the style to dynamic, and type in a sad princess stuck in a castle. I would adjust the image size for YouTube and then click generate. After that, I would choose my favorite image from the options and click on generate motion video. This turns my image into a little clip. I can repeat this step for multiple images to create a series of animations for my video. You can only use this generate motion feature with a paid plan, which I think is absolutely worth it. But if you're really tight on budget, you can download just the images to work with. For the productivity niche, I can use just stock footage or mix it with Leonardo AI images and clips. Step 6. Edit your video. This is where you put everything together. For video editing, I recommend CapCut. It's completely beginner friendly, easy to use, and free with paid options and features available. Sign up for an account and set it up on your device. Then drag your voiceover in. Next, drag in all the clips and images that you downloaded earlier. Make sure it's in the right order of what's being said so that there aren't random clips that don't make sense. Then you can add some background music from CapCut's library. Adjust the audio levels to make sure your voiceover is clear and not drowned out by the background music. You want to make sure your viewers can hear you without turning up the volume so high that they blow out their speakers, and add caption if it makes too so. Text overlays can be a great way to highlight important information and just keep it all more engaging. When you're happy, export your video and download it to your device. Step 7. Upload your video. Uploading videos to YouTube is pretty simple, but you should pay attention to the details. Start with a catchy and engaging title. You can use keyword tools like vidIQ to create a title that's both easy to find and interesting. I'll be using the title "Never Procrastinate Again" with these 5 productivity tips as my example. The description is just as important. Write a short summary of your video, include your keywords, and add links to any resources you mention. If you're having trouble, ChatGPT can write this for you. Tags are important too, as they help YouTube understand your content, so make sure to use a mix of broad and specific keywords related to your niche. I can include hashtags like productivity, productivity hacks, and productivity tips as my tags. Next up is your thumbnail. I suggest using Canva because it's fast, user-friendly, and produces great results. Search for YouTube thumbnail in the templates library. Scroll through and pick one that looks good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Open it up and you'll be taken to the editor where you can customize the template. You can easily change the colors and fonts, and if you want to add images, just click on elements and type in what you're looking for. Then drag and drop the image onto your design. You could also add your Leonardo AI images here. The most important thing is that your thumbnail is bold, eye-catching, and interesting. Adding a face or expressive icons can also help attract more clicks if it fits your theme. Once you've created your thumbnail, upload it and publish your video. Step 8. Monetize. YouTube doesn't pay creators just for uploading videos. It pays them for the attention they bring and the way they monetize that attention. So if you've ever wondered how creators make money, it comes down to 4 main methods: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Let's start with ads, as that's the income source everyone talks about. When you watch a YouTube video and see an ad pop up, the creator earns a cut of what the advertiser paid. You can apply to the YouTube Partner Program once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. After you get approved, you can make money from the views that your videos get. But ads aren't the only way to make money. In fact, they're probably not even the most profitable when you're just starting out. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. It's incredibly powerful because you don't need a huge audience to see results. Even with just a few hundred views, you can make money if your viewers trust your recommendations. You can find affiliate offers in your niche on sites like ClickBank. Just select the category that your niche is in and then have a look through the offers. Make sure to pick products that make sense with your niche and which have a good offer. For example, if the commission rate is high and a lot of people are able to promote the product, that's a sign that it could be good and profitable for you. The gravity score on ClickBank is a good way to tell if a product is worth promoting or not. Set up an account, then copy and paste the affiliate product link in the description of your video. Each time someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you'll get paid. You can do this from your very first video so that you can make money right away. Sponsorships are the third income stream, but they're a bit trickier when you're just starting out. Most brands are looking for channels with larger audiences, but if your content is focused on a profitable niche, you can sometimes land smaller deals early on. Companies might pay you to feature their product in a video or include a mention in your script. It's something to aim for as your channel grows. When you're ready for sponsorships, just find companies in your niche, look for the most relevant contact's email address, and reach out to them. Explain what your channel is is about how big and engaged your audience is and why there's a good fit between you and the company. If you reach out to enough companies, you're bound to have at least a few responses. Sponsorships can pay you anywhere from $500 to $50,000 per video, depending on how big your channel is and what deals you've negotiated with the companies. Starting and running a faceless YouTube channel is simple, but you do need to stay consistent. If you can do that, you'll see some pretty mind-blowing results that can change your life. What will your faceless YouTube automation channel be about? Let me know your ideas in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.